Always start with a healthy nail surface and a clean workstation. Trim down the extended free edge for the best application result. Reshape the nail with the 180 grit nail file to bring both corners of the smile line as close to the skin as possible without damaging it. Next, use the heart bit to push back the cuticle to expose more of the natural nail. This would help the extensions last much longer. Remove the dust in an upward direction with a soft bristled nylon brush. Use a Talon bit to lightly etch the natural nail surface for better adhesion. Remove extra dust with the soft bristled nylon brush. When measuring the gel tip to the natural nail, make sure to choose the right size for the nail. Both sides of the gel tip must line up perfectly with the sidewalls to cover up the entire nail surface from the cuticle line to the free edge of the natural nail. Apply step 1 dehydrator to remove excess oil on the nail surface. Let it air dry for 2 seconds. Next, apply step 2 non-acid primer to promote proper adhesion. Bonus tip: use acetone to etch the underside of the gel tip instead of a file to minimize dust. Squeeze a suitable amount of TiaraX Clear O+ gel to the base area of the gel tip. Then, at a 45-degree angle, apply the gel tip a hairline away from the cuticle of the nail and anchor it with enough pressure, slowly lowering the tip towards the free edge until the gel touches the edge of the smile line. Secure the nail by curing it under the TiaraX Goku LED lamp for 60 seconds. Use the tail bit to blend down the gel tip around the cuticle area. File the free edge and sidewalls of the nails to touch up the shape. Lastly, etch the entire nail surface with acetone to finish prepping for any gel polish, nail art, or top coat application.